A cyclist goes down a slope 5 degrees. So let's just draw the initial setup. So this is a 5 degree slope and he's descending at a speed of 1.38 meter per second. So we know the forces acting on this cyclist. You have the mg, okay, component of mg sine theta. Yeah. And right, we have, I'm just taking a shortcut. Normally we should have drawn the normal contact force, but let's just ignore that. So this cyclist, right, is coasting down this road, meaning, right, that acceleration is 0. That will have meant, right, that the air resistance, let's just call it R1. This R1, right, which is proportional to the speed, okay, is equals to K times of 1.38, and it must be equals to mg sine theta. Why so? Because acceleration must be 0, okay? So K times 1.38 equal mg sine theta. So this is equation 1. Now we draw out the diagram for the case whereby he's trying to descend at a higher speed. So this is a 5.55 meter per second. When he's descending at a higher speed, right, this simply means the air resistance here must be greater, and it equals to K times of 5.55. Yeah. However, right, the component of mg down the slope, right, is still just mg sine theta, okay, which is insufficient for him to move at constant speed. Therefore, right, it must mean that he has to apply additional force, okay, and that's what the question is asking for. So this additional force, right, must have been like this. Let's just call it F, such that, right, F plus mg sine theta equals to the R2, okay. Yeah, we can actually substitute the things in already, okay, because from here we know F, right, is actually equals to R2 minus R1, which is equals to K times of 5.55 minus 1.38, okay. So do we know K? Well, we could have calculated K, right, at these steps already, okay. So you take the mg, so 80 times 9.81 sine 5 degree divided by 1.38. So you have gotten K from here, and this value of K you substitute here, okay, and that will give you the answer. And the answer will work out to be 207 Newton, okay, and it's B. For this question, right, I would like to note that you got to draw out two free body diagram and really, right, represent out the situation clearly and carefully, and then form the equations well. So the key is really not with just so you can't solve the problem, right, just by looking at it, thinking in your head. You got to represent out in diagram, and that would be a lot clearer, okay. So most of these questions, right, please draw diagrams, even though, right, they are not provided and not mandated, because they are really helpful for you.